This look screams confidence. Let me tell you how you can do Latina makeup in just few steps. Hi everyone, myself Unnati Pandey and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share Latina makeup look which I have recreated. This makeup look is very simple and easy to do. It just takes few steps. And the main thing to do in this makeup look is the eyes, and everything is just basic. So let's get started with today's video. I have been seeing Latina makeup from so long on Instagram, so I really want to recreate it. So let's just get started. I'm done blending my foundation. Trust me, it's my shade. There's construction going on. I don't contour my face because my face already looks like it is contoured. So no contouring, but you can add the contouring step. Coming to the eyeliner, this is going to be the main game changer of the look. So the eyes should be perfectly winged. First I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow to give my eyes a little bit of enhance. Eyeshadow is done. Now going to start with the eyeliner. This is how the makeup turned out. I really like it. It's very simple and also gives so much. The steps are very simple. Construction chal raha hai. Please bear with me. If you found out this video helpful, so you know what you have to do. Like this video, comment down if you will recreate this or not, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Soon I'll be posting more videos. Until then, bye.